याद कराना उसका बंदा है। मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जो हर मुद्राई में की शर्त सही बन जाता है और साफ अंधकार परदेश लोगों के केंद्र में we all have gathered here. I am going to put two words in front of you on the National Constitution Day. The National Constitution Day is also known as Samvidhan દિવસ, which is celebrated every year on 26th of November. The Indian Constitution was adopted by the Constitution Assembly on 26th of November 1949. For the first time on 26th of November 2015, as the 125th birth anniversary of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar ji, who is the chairman of the Drafting Committee of Constitution Assembly. Constitution Day was celebrated all over the India by the government of India. And every year since 26th of November 2015, Constitution Day is being celebrated all over the India. Earlier, it was celebrated as a National Law Day. The Constitution is a fundamental law that lays down the rules for governing a country, determining the framework and various functions of organs by the government, and protecting the interests of the citizens. It took 2 years, 11 months, and 80 days to prepare the Indian Constitution completely. As you know very well, the father of the Constitution is called Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. He was made the first Prime Minister of independent India. He was made the chairman of the Drafting Committee of India. As well, he was the chief architect of the Indian Constitution and is known for his proud and united India. The soul of the country is the Constitution, and the country is being run through the Constitution only. So the Constitution has a special importance in our life. The Constitution is like a rule book that guides our country. The Constitution gives us many rights and freedoms. It says we all are equal and defend and declares a socialist, secular, democratic and republic country, which gives the citizens of this country equal justice and liberty, and also promotes the equal value of the fraternity. Constitution is the only backbone of the country which has kept the country together. As a student, it's our duty to know and respect the Constitution. We should follow its rules and values. Let's promise to support the teachers and make our country proud. We must always stand for the words justice, liberty, equality and fraternity. These words are the foundation of our Indian Constitution. Constitution Day should be celebrated with full participation by all sections of the society. It should not be limited only to the government offices, but it should also be observed by common citizens of the society. With all these things, I add my speech in these 2 lines.